How to fix the invalid destination address on owner 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, again click on this apps option and then scroll down and look for messages app. So tap on this app and then go to its storage. Now from here clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So that's how you can fix the issue. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open quick settings panel and from here turn on and off aeroplane mode 2 to 3 times. Now after doing this, the invalid destination address issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings and then again click on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset your network settings, and after doing this the invalid destination address issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the invalid destination address on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.